Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect full coverage sports bra for your workouts? This one from Baetty is such an awesome full coverage sports bra that I found really works so well for all of my high impact workouts as well as just being comfortable. The sports bra is made of a polyester spandex material. I really love the band around because for my 36 size, it definitely feels so awesome and comfortable. The bra is fitted, but at the same time, it's super comfortable. I actually wore this last week for workouts that I had during the day, and at the end of the day, when it was time to take my shower, I realized I kept the sports bra on all day and barely noticed that it was there. The cups underneath have a little bit of padding, but it's not overdone. And the back is really supportive because not only do you have the hooks, but also the straps are fully adjustable. The straps are nice and wide and they feel really good on your shoulders. And you can also detach them if that makes it easier to get the bra on and off. Side coverage is good, and overall, I just really love how this bra fits. I also put this on a gentle wash in my machine, and I also hung it to dry, and I found that the bra stayed exactly the same. The cups were not folded weird or moved around at all, so the bra really endured and it still fits awesome. I would highly recommend this bra because not only is it super comfortable, but the fit is awesome and it's great for bounce workouts as well as just for a walk. Overall, everything about this bra makes it one of my favorite new bras, but that's just my point of view.